Hi, welcome to this video. You can lock specific chats in WhatsApp by opening a conversation, right? Tapping the contact name at the very top, scroll, or you could just turn on the lock chat switch, continue, confirm via facial recognition, and now it's locked, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back, swipe up, just like you're trying to refresh, tab locked chat, confirm via facial recognition again, and hit settings at the very top right and turn on the secret code. So in my case, I already have a secret code, but if you want to add something unique, you can just add a letter or sentence, emoji, whatever, but make it memorable, right? And basically that's it. Every locked chat will be hidden behind a secret code. If you can't use facial recognition, God forbid, then you can use the secret code to unlock your locked chat. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.